Hi, my name is Tai Nguyen, the Chief Scientific Officer at MightyDNA.com. I'd like to start off this 3.5-minute product educational video to ask you 3 questions regarding genetic variant and memory. The first question, are you in the 99th percentile group of people who have the ability to retrieve and recall long and short-term memory? The second question, are you above average when it comes to verbal and numerical reasoning? And the last question, as you age, will you be able to retain your episodic memory ability, in this case memories of special event and experience? At MightyDNA.com, our in-house team of Ph.D. bioinformaticists and geneticists have developed a propriety-based genetic DNA test that systematically compares your 23 pair of chromosomes to that of the U.S. National Library of Medicine database for genetic and genomic studies. More specifically, MightyDNA genetic DNA test for memory focuses on 3 genetic traits found within your 23 pair of chromosomes that are strongly associated with memory. The first gene of interest that we focus on is the SNAP25 gene, found on chromosome 20 that is associated with long and short-term memory. The second gene of interest is the AKAP6 gene, found on chromosome 14 that is linked to verbal and numerical reasoning. And the last gene of interest that we test for is the MIR2113 gene, found on chromosome 6 that is associated with episodic memory. So when you receive your MightyDNA report in your email inbox, know that out of 3 billion base pairs found within your 23 pair of chromosomes, 5 million of those base pairs are unique to you. Thus, the actionable tips and genetic insights found in your personalized MightyDNA report are geared toward you and no one else. Now, in regards to DNA security and privacy, our non-CLIA diagnostic lab uses industry standard security protocol in storing your DNA sample, your DNA test results, and your personal data. Secondly, we do not sell nor do we publish your DNA data with any third party. Now, in regards to DNA test kit, our test kit is a swab and send kit. So there's no need for saliva collection tube, and there's definitely no need for needles, blood extraction, in using our DNA test kit. Now, if you have any questions regarding genetic DNA testing, contact us at info@MightyDNA.com. And when you're ready to order a DNA test kit, click on the link at the end of this video. Thank you.